What is good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Kinda in a rush, but I'm finna take the car to go get tuned, and yeah, that's about it. It's finna go get tuned, and they finna change the auxiliary pump. So I'm finna give y'all a cold start. My homeboy in the Chrysler right here, so he finna follow me. So I'm gonna get y'all a cold start of the charger, and then yeah. So I don't know where my what's the name is, where my headset is. It's in here somewhere. I know it is, but I'm finna go stop at the gas station, put some gas in her, and then yeah, I'll turn the camera back on whenever I find the headset, I guess. Filled her up. I can't find my freaking thing, my freaking headset, so I guess I'm gonna just have to run without it. I'll turn the camera on a little bit for y'all so y'all can see what's the problem as far as I'm concerned. But other than that, yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera back on whenever we make it there. Hope y'all enjoyed this POV. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all so much, man. So this is about cruising. Trans temp is good. This is my thermostat and coolant temp, and then the air to fuel ratio. I don't know if the camera picking it up, but it's not the best. That's why it's going to get retuned. But yeah, that's why I haven't really been driving it that much or taking it out, because of that right there. So hopefully drop it off today, the problem gets solved, and we'll have it the end of this week, probably Friday. Get to drive it, maybe even run somebody if it's feeling good enough. But you know, I still got to get used to the car. I haven't been able to push it all the way yet, so that's one downfall. But other than that, though, I mean, shit, she holds coolant temp, she holds trans temp pretty well. And yeah, I can't really ask for more right now. I don't really want to be pushing it. I still want to learn the car, so I'm still getting the feel for the throttle again and all that. But yeah. That bitch is loud though. Sound nice. We almost there. Cruising is pretty good. Nothing really major. That's really about it. But about 10 minutes away, 15 minutes away. So I'll turn the camera back on whenever we make it there. The camera was looking like that. I had it on the wrong setting. Made it to the shop. Made it to the shop. What's up with y'all boys? Got both of the cars here. We're gonna leave the charger here. They're gonna do what they magic. They not fixing none of this. This is all my fault. This is all my problem. So I can handle all this. They just doing all the performance shit. TROP, you see the name. So yeah, I was basically talking to him, and he said probably what he think is best and probably most efficient money wise will probably just she's finna go back in hibernation for a couple days. Nothing too crazy, you know. So I done found the headset. I forgot to record, but I went over to the shop today. They said that they should be done tomorrow. But I found the headset. It was in the back seat of the car, which I did look at before, but I guess I must have looked over it. So I'm gonna just record this POVs just so I can add it to the rest of the video, and then the next video will be me going to go pick up the car. Should be me going to go pick up the car. But yeah. Been keeping my camera in the car because I couldn't find my headset, so I've only been recording whenever I really needed to record. But I got pulled over today, bruh, and that would have been good content. It was pretty chill. He pretty much just told me I was speeding, wrote me a speeding ticket. It wasn't nothing crazy, but yeah. And then yesterday I got pulled over too, so I just been getting pulled over right and left lately. I ain't gonna lie. Can't wait to get back in that Charger though, I can't lie. I love that Charger. I'm finna stop the camera and let me see how the camera looks. And I'm at a red light, so fuck it. Looks pretty good to me. Check it out. Ooh, chill out, little Scatty. Make sure 12 not behind me, because I have been having the worst of luck recently. look like it's raining. And if you know the swap has no windshield wipers. The swap has no windshield wipers, dog. Come on, bruh. Don't do me like this, bruh. Don't do me like this, bruh. Finna rip the computer out of this bitch if it don't stop beeping. She got sideways there. I ain't mean to do that. Definitely get loose though. What's this? video, like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all, man, so much for all the support. It means a lot to me. I'm gonna keep pushing out as many videos as possible, as fast as possible. So y'all just stay tuned. And yeah, bro.